Well, have you ever seen a LC500? Skylar, this is an LC500. Yeah. I know. Look. Silica Supra. Crazy, huh? Right here. Supra. That's crazy. That's a Datsun. It's a Nissan. Z, Fair Lady.
Yeah.
Do Supras?
Yeah.
Look at this, bro. This is a Mark III Supra. Yeah. Look, what's Toyota Supra? The other one's Celica Supra. This is another Supra. The older Supras. Pretty cool, huh? That is a cool Supra, dude. I'm so glad I got to see one.
What?
M3, BMW. Yeah, come on. Look, we are Venom. That's the one, the little actor that was following us.
Daddy, right there.
BMW, huh? What's up?
Maybe we could stay one.
Sure, buddy.
Oh my god, what a cute car.
Alfa Romeo?
This is so cute.
Alfa Romeo.
Oh, it's cute. Oh, what's that blue car right there?
McLaren.
Supra.
Supra. Hey. Oh.
Two Mustangs.
Two Mustangs? Good job. Skylar, what is this?
Supra. I don't know what it is. Oh, and BMW. The old BMW.
M4. Wide body, huh?
Oh, Daddy, we can have Tesla.
These are Challengers. See, Challenger.
Challenger.
Scat Pack. Another Scat Pack.
Daddy?
You see that little B right there? Scat Pack. Another Scat Pack. Whoa! Durango.
And here's the...
What? What?
What that wheel? What?
Oh, that looks cool, huh? Look at.
That's so funny. And my whole life is
Oh, what is that?
Mustang.
It is a Mustang.
Mustang. Well, 50 Mustang.
Hellcat.
And what do we look like that?
The wheel looks so shiny, huh?
Yeah.
Shiny wheels.
Or glittering wheels.
I think we've seen this one before. Wow, that's a cool Z. Wanna go see Nissan Z?
Whoa! BMW! Another BMW! I never seen that car before! Daddy, what's there?
A slingshot?
A slingshot? Right there.
Look, S2K.
Whoa.
With a wide body. That's crazy.
Whoa, that was
That looks cool. Slingshot. Slingshot.
And look!
That's teeth, huh?
It looks like a teeth one.
It has nice seats. What is that?
GTR!
Come
I want to look at it!
on. You want to look at it?
It's in here, Mom. Lamborghini!
Oh boy. Let's go check out this GTR.
We got one GTR. We got one GTR.
Beautiful GTR, huh?
Yo, another GTR.
Let's go check it out. What? Your favorite cars?
Yo.
Beautiful GTR, huh?
Super.
Say brakes.
Golden break.
Yeah.
I like them.
Yeah, there's an NSX right there too. M3. Oh, look at Evo.
I want Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Yo. What is this?
Trueno. Trueno. Oh no, they sell it.
Mustang.
Yep.
And Mustang.
A lot of Mustangs, huh?
Daddy.
Huh? What?
What is on top of the Ryan McQueen Mustang?
Tomater. What's your favorite Mustang?
Is this the one we have two ponies?
Oh look, there's a nice Mustang right here.
I like that one.
Corvette. Look at the canards. These are canards.
Ooh.
You ready? Say Viper.
Viper.
Those are big wheels. Yeah, these are nice. Oh boy. Yeah. Lamborghini. Look at this M4. And
GTR.
the Skyline GTR. Hey, come on, let's go check it out real quick. I want to see it. This is the one we saw. Skyline GTR. Come on. Skyline, you know what this is? NSX. What about this one? McLaren. We get to see Ferraris and another Supra. Want to see Ferraris and a Supra?
Here's a white Supra.
What? A white Supra? Come on. The Lamborghini. Wow.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Corvette.
I like this. Corvette, good job.
GTR.
One day, huh? I really do want to get one.
Me too, so I could drive the GTR to my to the car.
Mm. Did you want to take a picture of the GTR before it leaves? What is this? Porsche. Yeah.
I wouldn't sure get any GTR more.
What is this?
What's that?
Good job. This is a Mustang? Yeah, this is a Mustang. Yeah, it looks like a Mustang. It says Mustang. Oh, the lights. They never change. The same thing. Porsche. Is this a GR? It's giving GR vibes. Going all the way to the floor, huh? Yeah, it's cool. Carbon fiber hood. Look at the wheels.
Look at the lights.
Oh! That's cool. Alright.
Oh, that scared me.
What are these?
Wait, is that a
UTST.
GTXT and a GTX?
Yeah.
Or a GTT?
This is the R34 Skyline.
Daddy,
R33, huh?
Daddy, what is that?
Where?
What?
Whoa, Supra. What is this? Corvette.
And what is it?
Honda Accord. I'm gonna go look at this one, dude. Z06. Look at that, it has canards. Yeah. Hey, let's go check out the Supra. Whoa! Honda Civic. SI. Toyota Supra. I like the Supra. Look at the Supra. Let's go look at. Oh, he took out the Toyota. Four Supras. This one has wide body and a big old wing. Look at the canards.
Yo, what was that?
Look at this one. Wow, you got the same. You got the same car seat. Whoa. Nissan Z, yeah. Oh, Boost Blue Type R.
Yeah, and that's black one too.
Yeah.
That's Corvette.
And the Corvette. Oh, we've seen this Z before. GTS 4.0. Integra.
And what's that cool guy like?
Camaro. Mustang. Mustang. Cool little Mustangs. Celica Supra. So many Mustangs here, huh? Oh, what's that green car over there?